Hello, welcome back to another lecture. In this lecture, we are going to be learning how to create a break view. So let's start a new drawing file and click OK. Let's browse to our file location and select the bolt. Open it. Let's change our view to top view. To see your preview, make sure your preview is select, and also make sure your auto start projected view is select. So we'll place our first view, which is the top view, drag it to the right, and create our right view. And click OK to accept. So I'm just going to zoom in. To create your break view, select break. And the next thing you need to do is select the view you want to break. In this example, we want to break the right view. So we'll select that view. And now we have our break option. You have the different break line style down here. We'll select the zigzag for this example. And you can either break it vertically or horizontally. For this example, we want it vertical. So we'll select the first point where we want to start the break and the second point where we want to end the break. And we can use this number, the dimension here, to adjust it. So in this example, let's type 0.2. And it makes it shorter. The bigger the dimension, the more it is going to expand the break. And select OK. And that is how you create the break view. And another thing you should know that is that even though you create the break view, it doesn't make the part's dimension shorter. It's just a way to, if you have a limit of space on your screen, you can create a break view to condense everything. But the length of this bolt will always be whatever the 3D model is. The break view is just to condense your drawing to make it shorter in your view. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next lecture.